Hello again, it's Noob, and this is a very quick video, just a midweek extra. I've been sent 2 parcels, and this first one is from a subscriber called Jason, who sent stuff before, so thank you, Jason, for sending me this. I do know what it is, I've just not seen it. And this wasn't sent to feature specifically on my channel, just something which I know he's been working on, which is a challenge lock. Now, I don't feature many challenge locks on my channel because I like to pick commercial locks and locks which other people can have a go at. But nevertheless, I've seen some of the work that Jason's done on his pins, so I'm very curious to have a pick of this challenge lock, even if it's just so I can give some feedback to Jason on his progress. But yeah, the pins that he's making are really high quality from what I can see on Instagram. And next up is a parcel from Portugal. This is a package from Peaceweapon over on Discord, or at least that's where I've met Peaceweapon. And there's a note here, I'll just have a little read. Okay, so I did read the letter and I sort of messed up the first part of the video where I opened this, so I'm just going to carry on as if I hadn't opened this, which I have, but ignore that. What the letter said is essentially that there's a lot more Portuguese brands than I've exposed on my channel so far, and things like the Ticasil door lock are just known to be not very good quality. Now, I do go to Portugal quite a bit, but I haven't experienced too many locks out there, different lock brands in Portugal that are Portuguese, so to speak. Ticasil seem to have cornered a bit of the market, Rhodes as well. But yeah, so I can't wait to see what else is in here. Now this one is a loan lock. I opened this one first, and having a lock loaned to you is actually really good as a lock picker, because it often means that you get to experience rarer locks that are part of people's collection. So I really appreciate the loan of this Peaceweapon, I really do. And just look at this, Peaceweapon does say that this is a GLK Galaxy X18, which is made under license from a Chinese model, which is a clone of a Japanese made high security Clavis Q18. Apparently this is not sold by GLK anymore, and doesn't have the best tolerances, but it's very cool. Look at those 4 rows of pins. Definitely be a fun challenge to pick. And definitely a lock that I'm very happy to have on loan. So thank you so much to Peaceweapon for trusting me enough to send me this very cool lock on loan. Right, so let's get on with the stuff I haven't actually unwrapped yet. And oh, it's got a little sticker on it. That's cool. So it tells me what it is. So GLK, again, I've been to Portugal quite a bit and I've never seen GLK as a brand. Shackle's nice and sort of not nice and wiggly. It's a bit wiggly and loose. It definitely could be shimmerable, I imagine. Here's the key. Let's have a look. Yeah, probably shimmerable, but very cool. I just never experienced GLK as a brand. At least I don't think I have. No, definitely haven't. Not even seen it in Portugal. What's this one? Oh, already this looks cool. Oh, this is a Ticasil, but it's a dimple lock version. That's very cool. Oh, Ticasil. I don't know how to pronounce that, but very cool. I haven't experienced that. It's the Ticasil 796. Very cool. What else do we have? I love locks from different countries that I've never experienced or picked before. Yeah, here we go. Oh, Mark. I swear I've picked a Mark before. I could be wrong. But I don't recognise that brand or symbol. Again, it's a bit of a dimple lock. I can't tell whether it's got passive key control pins here or not. It might do, or it might have a top row of pins that are active. They all look the same sort of depth. Well, no, not quite. So maybe it's got some top pins in here, maybe. Hard to say though, but very awesome. And that's the Mark. There's like E5000. Very cool. What's next? This one? Let's have a go. What's this one? What's this one? What's this one? Oh, a Levy. Again, never even heard of this one. So, in the note, Peaceweapon does say that that he thinks these are all Portuguese brands, but some are difficult to pinpoint their origin, but that's how they're sold. They're sold as Portuguese, and whether they're made in China or otherwise, hard to say. But Levi, never even heard of that one. Very cool though, love it. I never, honestly, for somebody who's been to Portugal quite a bit, all of these are like completely new to me. GNS as well. Nice bitting actually on that one, not bad. Little 5-pin lock, but still bitting's good. What's this one? Very well wrapped, by the way, Peaceweapon, I have to say. All the keys not touching the locks, keep them all fresh. Another GNS, this is a GNS security cylinder. Ah, so it's a dimple lock version, so that's cool. I had honestly no idea that Peaceweapon's going to send me this many locks. That's so generous. Here we go. Oh, another dimple lock and another GLK. Very cool. GLK, that's a GLK 10. I love that they're labelled as well. I don't have to guess anything or try to research. But at least I know these brands now. I can start looking out for them. Another Levi, and this is... So the other one was a standard pin cylinder. This is a dimple lock again. Not bad bitting on that one either, actually. Look at that really deep cut on pin 5, I think, there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, pin 5, so it's a little 6-pinner. Very cool. And that's again, so it's a Levi security cylinder. What's this one? Oh, not camera. This one is a Mark E500. Very cool. Didn't we? So we had the Tika, so we had the Mark E5000. Oh, so the 5000 looks like it's got some top pins, I'm assuming, and the 500 doesn't. It just has like standard pins, but it still has 6 pins. So I say standard pins, you know what I mean? Bottom row pins. And there's still more stuff in here. Look at this. Oh, a Mark E1000. Mark E1000. Which is a little, looks like a 5-pin, 4-pin lock, little 4-pin lock actually. Again, not bad. Well, yeah, would have been better bitting if the low cut was at the front, but yeah, that's very cool. I think we've got 2 left. And it's a Tycosil 790, so got the 796 there and the 790. Oh, it looks like, so it's what's it called it? Lacquered, this one, and it has a certain antique look to it. There we go. And last but by no means least, well, I don't know what it is, but this is a, let's move that out of the way now. Another Mark, this is the Mark E100. So I've got a few different Mark locks there as well. And oh, that's much better bitting, isn't it? Look at that. A little 5-pin lock, but a good bitting on this one. Very cool indeed. So look at, I'm just going to watch out for the sound. So what a cool bunch of locks, plus this awesome lone lock. Plus, don't forget, double deuce from Jason as well. What a great bunch of packages. I'm really grateful. Thank you for supporting me with all these locks. Really appreciate it from both Jason and Peaceweapon. So thank you so much for these awesome packages. I really appreciate it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.